Greetings, fellow nerds. Motor City Games here with a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles bundle opening, or as they call it, the COWA-BUNDLE. So, I am a big turtle buff, if you didn't know that from my last few videos. And so, I ran out to get this today, the day that it was officially released. And I'm excited about this. You may recognize this, or you may have me knock my phone over. We have the Turtle Van. That's right, the Turtle Van. April driving for some reason, and Casey. And there's Raph and Donnie on his shell razor there, and Leo and Mikey. No Splinter. I guess he stayed home. So I can't believe they let April drive. So here we have the little divider, tokens, and another divider, more tokens. I'm going to pop these out real quick. And here is a little mutagen token, the ooze into the Planeswalker symbol, the same thing. It's not how spilling puddles gravity works, but hey. They have the thing at the top. You can kind of see, there it is. That is important to make it sit properly, but they got rid of the little insert to let your card stand up. Anything to save? A couple pennies. So this is the Spindown die. There we go. With the number. Hey, there we go. That's better. With nondescript Ninja Turtle, or is that supposed to be purple? No, I think it's black. And then number 1 is Planeswalker Spark. You get 9 packs now, and 2 of these bad boys that are lands, and I think the one promo card that comes in every bundle. So I was excited about these full art lands. I do love the silhouettes here. Plains Island, which, you know, I guess, you know, even though New York is, Manhattan's an island, but hey, whatever. Swamp there, mountain a la Streets of New Capenna, and a forest, even though they could use Central Park, but whatever. And then, you know, standard and a little quick how to play guide. The other pack, okay, there is the Shark Shredder. That's the one that comes in every bundle, and then these are the foil ones. So I'll probably put one of those in one of my decks, but that's it. So let's take a quick look. We got Purple Dragon Punks. I'm not going to read these ones off. I'm just going to show them. Okay, there's Lita. There's our uncommon. Donatello, Away with Machines, uncommon. And rare, Agent Bishop, Man in Black. Beginning combat of your turn, put a +1/+1 counter on each of up to 2 target creatures, so that would be helpful to get lots of +1/+1 counters on there, which you'll see a lot of that kind of stuff in this set. Ooh, Party Dude, the Michelangelo song card. And there's Michelangelo Game Master. Foil, oh, the TCRI. Commons. Uncommon, the New Generation Technique. The Turtle Lair, nice. Yay, Casey Jones, my man. Jenica, Bad Apple Big Sister. She is came to the turtles after me, so that's why she's the yellow one that I don't know much about, but I know she uses claws. And here's the rare, Toka and Razor. Master say have fun. I can't do the voice. And Negate, there's the April O'Neil counterspell. Full Art Island, and the mutagen token you can see, +1/+1 counter. So there's the Venus from the next mutation, the Sky Blue. Raphael, the Night Watcher. Nice. Time to punch in. That's from the TMNT animated CGI movie, which is amazing, that I saw twice in the theater. And Sally Pride, Lioness, from the comics, so I don't know anything about her. Primordial Pachyderm. There's the Foot headquarters, the black and white dual land. I'm not going to call it Orzhov because that's a guild. And I've had my black and white deck since 1994, so. Grounded for Life, that's a great show. Mona Lisa, Science Geek, Uncommon, Metalhead, Donatello, Turtle Techie, and Ninja Teen. They're really hip. There's the Pre-Fight Donut, Foil Escape Tunnel, and Food Token, which is also an Insect Warrior token. Baxter Stockman, right? Nobody. Good movie. Go Ninja, go! I made another funny. Raphael, Tough Turtle, and Kitsune's Technique. Beautiful artwork on that card, and Zog, Triceraton Castaway, and Full Art Swamp. Let's just put those guys there. Make your move. Hard one, Jeet. Karai, Future of the Foot, that's right, Shredder's daughter. Michelangelo, the Game Master. I thought that was Captain N. Path to Exile with the original art of April O'Neil with the perm. You'll find that's a little different from the rest of the April cards. Splinter's Technique, there we go. Raphael, Tough Turtle, another TCRI. Okay. Pain 101, Instructors Casey Jones. I want to make a Casey Jones deck, but not a Commander deck. Another hard widget. Leonardo, the Big Brother. Oh, another Agent Bishop. Oh, here is Don Raff, Hard Science. Oh, with that special artwork. Where's Waldo looking treatment? Oroku Saki, Shredder Rising. Another TCRI building. Squirrenoids. There's Rafe Lay. Dream Beaver, I believe you can get me through the bite. Courier pizza delivery person. Is that Kino? Oh no, I think it's a girl. Forgiveness is divine, but never pay full price for late pizza. Yeah, why didn't they have Kino? Whatever. Another Jenica, Bad Apple Big Sister, and Bebop and Rocksteady. Nice. Anchovy Banana Pizza. Dimension X, which is red and white. And the last pack. Manhole Missile, Doyle's COWA-BUNDLE. So bunch of doubles. Death in the Family. Exotic creature with mana value 3 or less. And just the skateboard. Another Michelangelo Game Master. Ravenous Robots. And here's a special. The April O'Neil the Hacktivist. Stupid portmanteau. At the beginning of your end step, draw a card for each card type among spells you've cast this turn. So maybe in Commander or something that would be a good one. But it is a rare. And it's a special treatment. And Stomp by the Foot. Get it? Huh. And there, a little illegitimate business, the black and green. So, there you have it. Ninja Turtles, thanks for watching, and hope y'all have a great day.
Boom, 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 boom.